The next way to make money is by selling your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelancing platform that allows you to make 6 figures per year from your house by selling the skills or knowledge you already have. For example, if you've played the guitar your entire life, you could sell guitar lessons for $100 and you'd only need to do 1 lesson per week to make an extra $5,200 per year. And what's great is that applies for any skill you have. If you're good at something, you can sell it on Fiverr. Like say you make sick TikTok edits on CapCut, sell those edits. If you're a great singer, sell Zoom call singing tutorials. If you're a genius in history, tutor people struggling with history. I know every single one of y'all watching is really good at least one thing. So use that skill to your advantage and monetize it as soon as possible. You don't even have to start on Fiverr if you don't want to. You can start in your local community by teaching athletes in your school how to play basketball better, tutoring students failing math, etc. And then as you start getting more clients, you can turn that side hustle into a full-on business by outsourcing work and creating your own website.